Hey guys, in this video I was going to show you how to remove your dual boot. So if you're dual booting with Windows or with another Linux distro, I'm going to show you how to remove it and then how to install the Grub menu. So let's just open up Gparted. So we go to Sudo Gparted. Now, Gparted is a partitioning tool that is common in many distros. It is there by default in the Ubuntu distros. So this is what it looks like. And then my SDA1 and SDA3 are my Arch. Right now I am on Arch. So this is my root, and then this is my home, and then this is my swap file. SDA4 and SDA5 are my Linux Mint. So I am dual booting Arch and Linux Mint together. So what you're going to do is right click. So what you're going to do is right click on SDA5 because this is where the root folder is. So you're going to right click or delete, or you can go up here to delete it. And then you're going to do this one more time because it is an extended partition. So as you can see, it's unallocated. So that means it's not recognized any partition. So what we're going to do is add this to our home partition. So what you're going to do is go to home, and then you can go up to here to resize mode. And then as you see the slider, you can put slide it all the way to the right, so free space allowing, and you click resize. And then you just want to click apply. Now if there's anything left, you're just going to do this one more time, resize, and then you're just going to go arrow up, resize, apply. So now that has eliminated the second Linux distro. So anytime that you dual boot one from the other, the second distro that you have installed will overwrite the grub file. So when I did install Linux Mint, it did overwrite my grub file on Arch. So we will have to rectify this, because if we rebooted, it will say that there is no grub file on here. So what we're going to do is close this up. So what we're going to do is go sudo grub install check, and then we want to make it our entire system. So it would be dev/dev/SDA, which is the entire hard drive. And then we're just going to click on there, and then right there is going to install. For any Debians, you are going to probably have to do grub 2 -install and then do the same thing. So as you see, it's just installing. It's just performing any type of checks to see if there's any errors message or anything else like that. So we'll just give it time. So as you can see that the installation has finished and that there was no errors reported. So the final step that we have to do is make sure that the grub we just have to rebuild the Grub Dot Cfg. So what we're going to do, or the grub config file. So what we're going to do is just go sudo grub mk make config -o, then in boot -grub.cfg. Click it, and as you can see that it has found the theme that I have. It also has found the unique kernel, but as you can see that there is no other Linux partition on my system. So if I did reinstall this, the only thing that would show up is my Arch installation. So that's all I have for this video, guys. Until next time, I will see you guys later.